Data collection. Cluster is data collection based on a geographic location. Jamie demonstrated this when she waited on the first floor and asked seniors how many AP classes they had taken. Systematics. Systematics is data collection based on a system, like every fifth person, every 100th person, every 150th person. And Chase demonstrated this when he asked every third person throughout the day in his senior classes how many AP classes they had taken. Convenience. Convenience is data collection based on what's easiest for you or what's the most convenient. And Michelle demonstrated this when she waited in the parking lot and asked seniors how many AP classes they had taken. Stratified. Stratified is data collection based on category. And I demonstrated this when I asked people in my English and history class how many AP classes they had taken.
Hello class, I'm Chase, and today I'm going to be teaching you about the measures of central tendency. We surveyed 100 seniors and asked them how many AP classes they were enrolled in, and the data ranges from 0 to 9. The mean of that data, which was all the numbers added up, 301, divided by the total number of people we asked, 100, is 3.01. The median, which is the middle of the data, is 2. The mode, which is the most common number of the data, is 2. The range, which is the highest number minus the lowest number, is 9. The mid-range, which is the mean of the highest and lowest number, is 4.5. Very important. The upper quartile, which is the median of like the upper half of the data after you've already divided it with the median, is 4. The lower quartile, which is the lower half of the data, the median of the lower half, is 2. And the IQR is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile, which is, you guessed it, 2.
Okay, I will be talking about measures of standard deviation, variation, So, starting with standard deviation, we took the data point and we subtracted the mean from it, and the mean in our case would be 3.01. So we did, for 1, we did 1 minus 3.01 to the second power. We got that answered and divided it by 100. Then when we got the total, we took it to the chart and we got 0.44. So we proceeded to do that with all of our data points, and then after getting each sum, we added them together and we got our variation of 11.088212. Then in order to get the standard deviation, we took the square root of that, which would be square root of 11.088212, and that equaled 3.33. And to show the work,
now here is a visual graph of our data. You can see the minimum is 0 while the maximum is 9, and that the lower quartile is 2 and the upper quartile is 4, whereas the median is 3. This is the normal distribution graph where you can see the mean is 3.01 and that the standard deviation is 3.33.